This video is brought to you by NordVPN. Hit the link in the description for more info. Hey, that's how money is. Hey. Yo, I won't lie, I was shook. I didn't see that shit coming. What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to this channel. If you are new here, I do a bunch of Afrobeats reviews. Go check out Oxlade review. I just put it out, the first one that I ever did, like live reaction. I'm gonna be testing it out. Let me know in the comment section how you guys felt about the Oxlade reaction. But today we are looking at Burna Boy. Okay, Odogu himself is here with the second single of the year. This particular song is coming after Kilometer. That felt like it was a much needed time for Burna to have like a viral hit, like a viral moment that penetrated. And to be frank, Kilometer didn't perform as well as it ought to, and you can, that's why we can see a quick follow up to that right now with another one called Question with Jazzy. Okay, now a little birdie has told me that Burna Boy album this year is off the table, which it makes sense, which like it's very late in the year already. It's getting late to the year, so to have a Burna album this year is looking like a no-show. But I'm here for this new banger with Don Jazzy. I like seeing Don Jazzy on features. He was just on Peruz's album, which was phenomenal. If you guys haven't seen that, go check that one out. But anyway, without any further ado, I'm excited to check this one. It's coming out with a video. So he's putting a lot of eggs inside his basket, man. He's putting a lot of eggs inside his basket, and I'm excited. Let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out. All right, this one's called Question, Burna Boy and Don Jazzy. Let's go. What are you saying?
Yeah, this one. What's it?
It's a boss.
Yeah. It's cute. Look at Uncle Burna. Oh shit. Hey. Hey. I heard the snippet and I was like, this shit better slap. Let's go. Hey, don't, let's go. Hey, see, look, I don't know why. I'm ready to get in gassed. I'm excited as fuck. Look, Don Jazzy features do it for me, man. I swear, like Don Jazzy's voice, anytime it comes on a record, man, and that tag. Let's go. Uh-huh. Hey, let me turn this up. There's a lot of interesting mixes of genres here going on. At first, you hear the beginning and the drum pattern is very like reminiscent of like your correct Afropop kind of bounce, and then you're having little infusion of that high life guitar riff, and now I'm hearing those Amapiano log drums coming into the whole mix, and I'm like, bro, what's going on? Okay, I'm getting the hook. Let's go. All right. Alright, so as that first run of the hook, it looks it feels half-baked right now, I won't lie. Like the hook feels half-baked, like he's just saying the same thing over and over again. Doesn't seem as you know what I mean, as chaotic or as like antic as a Burna Boy banger would hit. So it doesn't feel like it's a up-tempo rave moment, but it feels it's more chilled, it's more laid back, and it's more like, and it's speaking about like haters and people that are doubting his abilities, which is a very like common subject matter of Burna Boy, you know, like African giant vibes, like sentiments basically. Okay. Hey, that's how money is. Hey. Yo, I won't lie, I was shook. I didn't see that shit coming. Nah, that's embarrassing, but the way I shook, nah, the way I shook is embarrassing. I'm not gonna lie. Fuck. Let's pause. I'm gonna laugh at myself once I run this tape back, bro. What the heck? Yo, my chest! Ah, that scared me small. I won't lie at all, man. That was crazy. Nah, I'm sorry, but like, whoever directed this, that was too abrupt of a bomb blast, man. Like, come on. How can you even see this coming? That was quite a loud bang, bro. It's a head nodder. It's not a question song, but like, it's a head nodder, you know? I was just waiting for Jazzy. Let's go. Hey. Don Jazzy now, let's hear. Nah, Jazzy, let's go. I'm excited for Jazzy, man. Let's go, let's hear. Wait, that's it? I want my money back. I want a refund. I'm sorry. What? That was all Don Jazzy did? Nah, Burna, let's run that. Let's redo it. No. How can you have Don Jazzy on the song featuring Don Jazzy and you're just using him for background and backup vocals? Nah, G. And the fact that it's even in the video too. I don't like this. I needed Don Jazzy on the hook. I won't lie to you. I needed Don Jazzy on the hook. It didn't even cross my mind as I was hearing the hook. Oh, Don Jazzy's not on the hook. I'm like, bro, I completely forgot Don Jazzy was here just until the end. Nah, that's fraudulent. Nah. That's a Burna is Burna for my bro. No, this is a scam. I'm sorry, this is a scam, bro. No, Don Jazzy and Burna. No, when you had this is not fair. It makes no sense. Absolutely, bro. The opportunity for Don Jazzy to like give you mad hums. You know what I mean? Mad hums that would have been sprinkled across the song, and taking the chorus with you. At least like Don Jazzy, like the presence could have been a lot more. Nah, bro. Nah, I'm sorry. I'm calling. Nah, I'm sorry. Nah, I'm just throw the whole thing away. Like, bro, no. A whole video and the song released at the same time. You hear Don Jazzy's name is on it. You obviously want to go and click it. Like, because Don Jazzy was just here. Don Jazzy was just used as a name for just like as a selling point. But obviously we still want to check a new Burna song. But I think Don Jazzy was just added here just for promo, man. I don't like man. This is fraudulent. Nah, I'm sorry. I want my money back, man. Nah, what you guys think about this whole thing, man? I'm disappointed. I'm not going to lie. I am disappointed. Nah, bro. Nah. I want my money back. Leave me in the comment section what you guys think about this particular song, man. This is disappointing. Nah. Anyway, I've been your boy, man. palmwinepapi. Check out the rest of the content on this channel. Tiwa, new EP, Water and Gary, coming up shortly. I might do a live session for that. So yeah, just keep it locked on the channel, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.